Make a volcano because the letter of the week is V, as in volcano. So, I'm going to first paint the background. Blue for the sky. Green for the grass. Now, something interesting. Turn it upside down. Take the brown, because you're going to be making your mountain, that is the volcano. Take the brown and make a V. Make that upside down. Because you just made an upside down V for volcano. Color it in. Too much paint, sorry. Then you can take the brown and you can make trees. There, and one right there. Maybe one right there. And then you can take the green and make leaves for the trees. Darker, or you want your trees to not have very much green on it. Tree, but I like it. I think it's adorable. So then you can take the red make or you can take a sponge. Fill up the sponge. Explode. Then something else you can do. You need some smoke. You take black and squiggle it. It's a volcano. Thank you to my assistant, dinosaurs. Bye. I miss you guys so much.